Use the septic drainer and have
Septic
great success.
drainer really works.
Septic drainer really.
We have tried other methods, enzymes, and that didn't work. So we used Septic Drainer, and it worked for us. And then we went and did another person that had a cesspool, and we were going to have to maybe dig that up also, because it was over 50 years as being a cesspool in a farm location. And we used that, and he was happy, and that was been a year and a half ago. No problems on either location so far. So we are a firm believer on that, and that it does work for us, and we sell it vigorously to help save our clients money so they do not have to have their leach fields replaced. Our belief is doing the best job we can for our customers at the lowest possible price, and giving them a good product also. And I think Septic Drainer does that for our clients. We will, in the long run, it'll pay for us through word of mouth that we do a good, honest job, and that's what we're all about, is doing that for our clients.